that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. This is part 3 of reversible lead screw project for my shear line lathe. Earlier I posted a comment to another YouTube creator who I believe can help me with the electronics. And then I had a great idea. I'll just chop the worm drive into the armature of this motor and put it on the spindle of the other reversible motor I've got. I've got the housing for the worm wheel. All I gotta do is chop the screw coming out of that, put an adapter on it, double worm wheel reduction. Might be able to do what I want. Anyway, I took some pictures of the motor. It's a Duert 24 volt 2600 1 min 87641 here SERIENNR, some braille looking character, 1996. Anyway, it's a DC motor. Picture of its control circuit board is attached on this, along with picture of the motor. This control board got 2 orange boxes. I guess that they would be rectifiers. SCH RACH 2F900052, 20 volt, and down here is 10 amp 250 volt. It's gotta be a rectifier. There's these. There's this big capacitor here and these resistors, and these are the connectors. Control goes here, and power to the motor goes here. And big transformer. So if anyone out there knows where I can solder or connect, if it's even plug this into a speed controller, if you can think of one that will handle it, let me know. And I'm not talking about variable frequency drive. I don't have that kind of money. I'm talking in the sub $100 range, okay? So that's why I'm thinking, just find somewhere here where I can solder in a component that knocks the speed of this motor down, way down. That way I don't have to butcher this motor to put its worm on the spindle of another motor and do the double worm wheel step down. You know, 2 worms. The first motor drives a worm wheel, right? And the second one would be going into the worm after I chopped off the motor, and second wheel. There I'd take my power takeoff. Anyway, anyone out there who thinks they can help me, put a variable resistor here, rheostat there, let me know, please. Good night from California.